In this video, I am giving you 30 of my go-to yoga poses when it comes to how I personally express my self-love and my self-care in my personal yoga practice. I hope that they're helpful for you on your journey as well. Now, make sure you stay tuned towards the end because I do have a little bit of a gift for you towards the end. Don't miss it. Thunderbolt Pose, overlapping feet, close up. Cow Pose with twist hands. Child Pose, variation, head on arms. Puppy Dog Pose on elbows. Reclining Hero Pose. Breath Balance in Pose. Easy Pose, forward bend. Crescent Low Lunge Pose. Sphinx Pose with half frog pose legs. Reclining bound angle pose. Seated straddle pose. Reverse pigeon pose. Half pigeon pose. Pigeon pose, forward bend. Standing forward fold pose. Intense leg stretch, pose C. Goddess pose, variation, hands forward bend. Garland pose. Happy baby pose. Plough pose. Half shoulder stand pose. Banana pose. Side lying corpse pose. Winged dragon pose. Splits pose. Reverse crescent low lunge twist pose. Alternate nostril breathing. 3-part breath mountain pose. Backbend prayer, hands close up. Half wind release pose. If that was helpful for you, click down below in the description box. I actually have a link that gives you a free poster for all of the 30 featured poses. Hope that's helpful. Let's chat and we'll talk about it in comments.